Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I've got an unboxing of the Kitaholic Kit's January kit. So I got this a few days ago, and this is what's in the kit. Now I get the main kit plus the mixed media. God, where did multimedia come from? Goodness me. Alright, so the mixed media was these three lovely ink pads and this gorgeous stencil which they call a mask by Studio Light, and it's this it's called Grunge Collection, and it's this gorgeous floral, so I can't wait to use that. I haven't opened it fully, but I think it looks like that is how it comes out. So yeah, that's really cool, love that. And then the stamp sets, We Are Memory Keepers, Mocha, Fuchsia and Grape. I don't have any We Are Memory Keepers ink pads, that's hard to say. So it's archival, fast drying, non-toxic, permanent dye ink, heat set for water resistance. Well, that's cool. Alright, so I gotta have a play with them. So that's a mixed media little kit, which is an add-on. Alright, so what do we get in the main kit? We're going to start with the papers and then all the other goodies. So we have a 49 and Market Birdsong 12 by 12 solids collection pack, and these papers are got the distressing look on them, so they're really cool. Sorry about the crinkle. Alright, so the colours you have, I thought that was a little strip, but no, that's the actual front page. And on the back of it, I believe, yes, there's another piece of cardstock that you can use. I love it when companies do this. So rather than throwing this out or using it as a backing for something else, you can actually use it as a piece of cardstock or paper for your projects. And the bonus is you can also use these on your projects as well. So that's really cool. Then we have like a denim look. I think there's two of each, and the reverse side is a really dark denim. It's got that like texture look to it, but it's just really dark, and they're like faded jeans. Then we have a beautiful green. I don't know if they have, this is just, I don't know if they have names, but it's just solids paper number 2. And it's like a brightish green watercolor look, and the reverse side is a darker green. And then we have a pale blue watercolor look, and then the reverse side is this gorgeous teal, darker teal. Then we have like a dusty pink, and the reverse side of this is like a coral type color. And then I think this is the last one. It's a really like a lemony lime type of look, again with the watercolor look, and a much brighter yellowish limey color on the back. Alright, so that is the paper pack that we got. Then we got a sheet of stickers from Simple Stories. Simple Vintage Meadow Flowers is the collection, and these are really cool. The colours go with a lot of these colours on here, so that will be really nice to use. I love this collection of stickers, really pretty. Can't wait to use them. Then we got some die cuts from 49 and Market Art Options Spice, designed by Katie Pertier. I don't know how to pronounce her name. So laser cut mixed media leaves. Look at them. Oh, they're so pretty, and actually quite a good size too. So really nice. Can't wait to use them. And we got some doilies and a packet of 49 and Market Birdsong chipboard. Lots and lots of words in there, and birds and flowers and leaves, and the cool birdhouse, butterflies, love hearts, some little words. Very nice. And then we got a 49er Market epoxy coated sticker embellishments from the Spice collection, I think that it is. And these are tiny little epoxy enamel dots, I call them. And ones with words, hearts, and tiny little hearts down here. Very cute. All the colours blend wonderfully. A whole roll of ribbon. It's a grey, glacier grey ribbon. It's quite thin. It's 3mm ribbon, and there's 5 meters on that. That's a lot of ribbon. And then our little package of goodies. So, and I love the paper bag. You can use that on a layout as well. Like, how cool would that be to have like a photo sticking out and embellish the front? That'd be cool. Some glitter paper, like your white glitter paper. More doilies, and then another, so they're white, and then a tan doily. A packet of mixed sequins, tiny little stars with some bigger love hearts and other sequins. And then in this gorgeous little bag that we again can use on your layouts. Oops, there's more. Wait a minute. Come out. Oops. Okay, now I'm losing them. Okay, wait, there's something else stuck in there. Really thin roll of washi tape with love hearts on it. That's cute. Some love heart brads. Love heart brads. And then a love heart paper clip. And then these gorgeous little tassels. Coral colour, a blue, and there's one more hiding in this bag. There we go. Purple one. So that is the January kit from Kitaholic Kits. I will have them linked below if you're interested in signing up. I think they're well worth the money, and I love the variety of product that you get. So if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber so you know my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.